I believe everybody did the best they could.
Governor Cuomo fighting back against the scathing state report released by his fellow Democrat, Attorney General Letitia James, which accused the New York Department of Health of undercounting nursing home COVID deaths by up to 50%.
When they said there was undercounting, that's just factually inaccurate.
Cuomo argued whether old people died in nursing homes or a hospital, the total state COVID numbers remain the same, more than 40,000 people.
96% of the people who die are older people with comorbidities.
I would argue at this point, New York puts out more data on deaths than any other state.
And while the governor argued the previous White House administration criticized states with Democratic leaders, Letitia James' report concluded nursing home deaths were severely underreported. Dexter Wilson's father, a stroke victim, died from COVID in the spring after getting sick at Atrium Rehab in Canarsie.
It feels like they're simply numbers, and numbers that could be moved around and manipulated to the governor's, benefit, which is extremely unfortunate because my father was far from a number.
Cuomo had said he empathized with the thousands who lost elderly parents because he'd lost his father, Mario, several years ago.
My father died. I wish I had someone to blame. My heart goes out to each and every one.
My condolences to him, but my situation was far different. I saw my father on a Wednesday, and on a Thursday he was gone. I saw him virtually on a Thursday, and the next time I saw him was when I was laying his body to rest.
The governor had spoken for nearly 45 minutes straight on all things COVID before the nursing home report dominated the question and answer part of his press conference. Melissa DeRosa pointed out that 37,500 staff members at these facilities got sick with COVID between March and June, many bringing the virus to work when they were asymptomatic. The governor was asked about the immunity shield that prevents many nursing home owners from getting sued, especially if they didn't provide enough PPE, personal protective equipment. Many state legislators want to reverse it.
I haven't seen the bill on the immunity law.
Ultimately, the governor blamed the federal government for dropping the ball, claiming COVID kept arriving into the region for 3 months in early 2020 before anybody really knew what was going on. I'm Mary Murphy, Pix 11 News.